everyone, I'm Fran Charles.
A great day for baseball here at Dodger Stadium.
It's the Tampa Bay Rays and the Los Angeles Dodgers. Fastball, strike one. Swing and a miss. No balls, 2 strikes. Swings and misses, strike 3. 1 out. Curveball, strike 1. Fastball, tough pitch on the corner. Strike 2. Swings and misses, strike 3. 2 out. Fastball, and that's just on the corner for a strike. 0-1. Drill to the third baseman, fires to first base, and that's in time for the out. Motors into third base with a triple. Not much contact there. The dribbler to the right side, scooped up like wow, and fires to first base. On the ground to the right side, picked up like wow, throws over the first, 2 away. Fouled off, third base side, 0-1. Hit down the third base line. Oh, but out of play. Hit down the first base line, but foul. Still 2 strikes. On the ground, straight back to the pitcher. Wow. Fields it, throws over to first, and that's in time for the out. And that'll do it for the first inning. Fastball, strike 1. Off-speed pitch. No balls, 2 strikes. Swings and misses, strike 3. 1 out. Breaking ball. Tough pitch on the corner. 0-1. And he lines one to the left side. Great diving catch. 2 out. Slider missed outside. Ball 1. Fastball, strike 1. On the ground. ground to the right side.
Taylor
Fields it, throws over the first, and that's in time for the out.
Check swing, but a strike is called.
Strike one. Down the first base line and foul. Fly ball to right field. He dives and comes up with it. 1 out. Hit hard to left field.
Ball drops in, and that's a base hit.
and it's into the stands for a ground rule double.
Fastball, strike one. And that's outside. Ball one. Down below the knees. Strike two. On the ground to the left side. Scooped up by
Adonis
fires to first base. Two away. Fly ball to center field. Makes the out, and that's in time for the out. And that's it for the second inning. Fastball, strike one. Swing and a miss. Strike two. Hit hard to left field.
And there's a base hit for
Adonis
Fires over to second. Throws over to first. Fastball, 0-1. Slider, and that one's too low. Strike two. He struck him out swinging. One away. Hit hard to the third baseman. Picks it up. At the knees for a strike. Strike one. Slider, 0-2. Fly ball to the right side.
Taylor
pulls it in for the out.
And fires to third base. Fires over to second. Not in time. He's safe. Slider, 0-1. Swing and a miss. Strike two. Fly ball into shallow right.
And that drops for a base hit.
And fires home.
1-0.
On time, he's safe. Checks the runner at first, and he gets back in time. Fastball,
No balls, one strike.
slider, paints the corner, 0-2. There's a strikeout, and he got him. left side. He dives, but it gets past him.
Into the glove of Arozarena.
Runner goes. Here's a bunt. Straight back to the pitcher. Fires over to second.
And with sacrifice, all the runners defend.
And he beats out the throw to avoid the double play. And he beats out the throw to avoid the double play. Fires to first base. There's one down the first base line and foul. 0-1. Sinker outside. Ball one. That's high. 2-1.
2 balls, 2 strikes.
Drill to left field. And he's able to grab the hot shot. 2 away. Fires over to second. Hit down the first baseline, but foul. 0-1. Swing and a miss. Strike 2. Down the third baseline and foul.
Still 0-2.
Fly ball to center field. And he's there for the out. And that's in time for the out.
And that will do it for the 3rd inning.
Dribbler to the right side.
Taylor
It's there.
Throws over to first. And the throw is in time for out number 1. Hit hard to right field.
ball drops in, and that's a base hit.
Not in time. He's safe. Breaking ball. Strike 1. Swing and a miss. Strike 2. Fly ball to right field. He makes the catch. 2 away and fires to first base. Changeup. Strike 1. Down the third base line and foul. Not much contact there. The dribbler to the left side. Picks it up. Fires to first base. And he got him. Swing and a miss. Strike 1. Swing and a miss.
No balls, 2 strikes.
Here's a bunt. Straight back to the pitcher. Throws over to first. Dribbler to the third baseman. Picks it up. Throws over to first. Sinker outside. 1-0. Sinker. Strike 1. Fouled off and out of play. 1-2. That's in there for strike 3, and that's in time for the out. And that'll do it for the 4th inning. down the first baseline and foul. That one low, ball one. Liner to left field. And he arrives at second with a stand-up double.
Zunino beats the throw. He's in there.
Swing and a miss. Nothing in one. Swing and a miss. Strike two. Swings and misses. Strike three.
Right over the plate.
Strike one. Drilled to the left side.
And there's a base hit for Meta.
And sends it to the cutoff man. And he throws it to second. And he slides into second. Beats the throw. Fastball just inside. 1-0.
Counts even. The ball and a strike.
Off-speed pitch down below the knees.
2 balls and a strike.
Fly ball to left field. That one's caught for out number 2 and fires to third base. Off-speed pitch, a bit low, 1-0. Fastball, that one's inside, ball 2. Slider, that one's low, ball 3. Fastball, tough pitch on the corner, 3-1. On the ground to the left side. He scoops it up and fires to first base. Fouled off and out of play. Drill to second.
And that drops for a base hit.
Fouled off and out of play.
No balls, 1 strike.
Swing and a miss.
0-2.
Drilled to the second baseman.
Wow.
There. Throws over to first. Hit down the third baseline and out of play.
0-1.
Down the first base line and foul.
0-2.
Hit hard to left field.
And that one falls for a base hit.
He takes off at first. Here's a bunt. Straight down.
Zunino
To get to that up one. Throws over to first. No doubt about that one. Home run.
3-1. Checks his swing, takes a ball.
Ball 1. Fly ball to right field.
This one is a shot. That's back-to-back home runs. 4-1.
Swing and a miss. Strike one.
Oh and 2.
Hit down the first baseline, but foul.
Still 2 strikes. Able to hold up, and the pitch inside.
1 ball, 2 strikes. He struck him out swinging, and that will do it for the 5th inning. Freezes him on the corner.
0-1.
Fouled off and out of play. Hit down the third baseline. Out of play.
Still 0-2.
Drilled to left field.
And it falls in. Base hit.
Fastball freezes him. 1 on the corner. 0-1. Swing and a miss.
0-2.
Change up down below the knees.
1-2. Checking first.
Struck him out swinging. Not much contact there. The dribbler to second. Picks it up. Throws over to first. Fastball.
Tough pitch on the corner.
Strike 1. Slider freezes him. 1 on the corner. Strike 2. Curveball a bit low.
And he's ahead.
Fouled off and out of play.
Still 1-2.
On the ground to left field. He scoops it up and sends it to the cutoff man. Swing and a miss. Strike 1. Swing and a miss. Strike 2. And he lines one to the left side. Fires over to second. Fastball, that's outside.
1 ball, no strikes.
Dribbler to the left side. Picks it up and fires to first base. Swing and a miss. Strike 1. That ball inside. Ball 1. liner to third.
That falls in for a base hit.
Throws over to first. Swing and a miss. Strike one. Fouled off and out of play. Sinker down below the knees. 1-2. Sinker just inside. Ball two.
Great back control. He does not chase the pitch.
Ball three. Popped up to the left side. And that'll do it for the sixth inning. Fastball, 0-1. Not much contact there. The dribbler to the left side. Picks it up and fires to first base. Sinker paints the corner. Strike one. On the ground to the right side. He scoops it up and fires to first base. Slider, strike one. Hit hard to the second baseman. Throws over to first. That one's outside. Ball one. Fouled off and out of play. 1-1. Swing and a miss. 1 ball, 2 strikes. Dribbler back to the mound. He scoops it up and fires to first base. Fastball, that one's inside. Ball one. Fastball missed inside. 2 balls, 1 strike. Fastball, that's high. 3-1. Three balls, 2 strikes. Drill to the right side. Slider missed. Outside. 1-0. Fastball paints the corner. Strike one. Throws over to first. And he lines one to right field.
And there's a base hit for
Bailey.
Hit hard.
To the second baseman. Picks it up.
Taylor crosses the plate, 5-1.
Slider, and that's outside.
1-0.
Swing and a miss. Strike one. Strike two. Drilled to the right side, into the glove,
Wow.
and he throws it to second. Throws over to first, and there's a double play to end the inning.
And that'll do it for the 7th inning.
Sinker, 0-1. Curveball, 0-2. Fly ball to the second baseman.
Taylor
Pulls it in for the out.
Curveball, no balls, 1 strike. Fly ball into shallow right.
And that one falls for a base hit.
Breaking ball, strike one. Swing and a miss, strike two. And he lines one to right field. And sends it to the cutoff man. Fastball. That ball inside. 1-0. A ball and a strike. Fly ball to left field.
And Pollard is there for the catch.
And fires to third base. Fastball, strike one. Fly ball to shallow left.
Pollard pulls it in for the out.
Popped up to second. Popped up to left field. Drill to the left side. Great stop at short. And fires to first base. Slider,
The high pitch in there for a strike.
strike one. Hit hard to right field.
That falls in for a base hit.
Liner to the third baseman.
And it falls
Goes in, base hit. And it's now 6-1.
And that one is not coming back. A 3-run blast.
9-1.
Drilled to the left side. Picks it up, throws over to first. And that will do it for the 8th inning. Swing and a miss. Strike one. Swing and a miss. 0-2. Not much contact there. The dribbler straight back to the pitcher. Picked up a corner. Throws over to first. Slider, and that's just on the corner for a strike.
No balls, 1 strike.
Fly ball into shallow left.
Ball drops in, and that's a base hit.
And sends it to the cutoff man. Cutter, 0-1.
0-2.
He struck him out swinging. Sinker, strike one. Cutter freezes him on the corner.
No balls, 2 strikes.
Fastball, that pitch outside. 1-2. Hit hard to the right side.
Taylor
Fields it, fires over to second.
This game was over before it started.
The final score,
The Los Angeles Dodgers
trounced the Rays.
9-1.